Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the new Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. This one is equipped with a 200 horsepower white Mercury outboard engine, stainless steel prop. Swim deck has sea deck on the back, ski tow bar, sun pad, storage, 2 doors of storage right there. Okay, as you go back over the transom, then this pulls up and you have a lounger right here. Huge ton of storage back here in the back. Built-in cooler. Flip-flop seating for the companion. Makes a nice lounger. Glove box. You got your Simrad chart plotter inmate in the dash. Fusion stereo with Bluetooth capability. Helm has flip up bolster. Storage for your cooler right under there. Got a ton of storage underneath. And plenty of room up here in the bow seating area. Fusion speakers. And of course the Sea Ray quality. Again, this is Shannon here at MarineMax. If you'd like to go for a ride on this boat or any other boat that we have here, just give me a call. My number is 850-630-5459. I look forward to seeing you.